Hi guys. Today we are going to see how to do SEO for a Shopify website. Before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. Today we are going to see how to optimizing your Shopify store for SEO, which is essential for increasing your store's visibility in search engine results. Here we discuss how to do SEO for a Shopify website by these points. 1. Keyword research. 2. Optimize product pages. Improve site structure. 4. Optimize page titles and meta descriptions. 5. Optimize for site speed. 6. Mobile optimization. 7. Utilize Shopify SEO apps. 8. Social media integration. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to find relevant keywords. Focus on long-tail keywords that your target audience might use. 2. Optimize product pages. Write unique, descriptive product titles and descriptions. Use high-quality images and optimize their file names and alt texts. Optimize your product URLs to include relevant keywords. Improve site structure. Use a clean and organized site structure. Optimize your navigation menu and internal linking. Create a logical hierarchy with categories and subcategories. Four. Optimize page titles and meta descriptions. Write unique and compelling page titles and meta descriptions for each page. Include relevant keywords naturally. 5. Optimize for site speed. Use a fast-loading Shopify theme. Compress images to reduce file sizes. 6. Mobile optimization. Ensure your Shopify store is mobile-friendly. Use responsive design. Test your site on various devices. 7. Utilize Shopify SEO apps. Use Shopify apps like SEO Manager or Plugin SEO to help optimize your store. 8. Social media integration. Share your products on social media platforms to drive traffic and improve visibility. By implementing these strategies, you can improve your Shopify store's SEO and increase its visibility in search engine results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.